Are you worried you will score low in the speaking section of your IELTS exam? After all, it involves talking to a person who is proficient in English. It is common to be worried about making mistakes. It is easy to get the pronunciation of a word wrong or to find yourself short of words. Go through this video to find out everything you can do to score high on your IELTS speaking exam. Welcome to Leap Scholar. Let us understand how the examiner grades you and how you can perform well. Number 1. Fluency and coherence. It is a measure of how clear and structured your speech is. You should always try to connect your sentences by linking words and sign points. Extend your answers. Add all the relevant details. Speak smoothly and continuously. Use pauses correctly. Number 2. Lexical resource. It refers to the quality of your vocabulary. Make sure to use a wide range of vocabulary. Discuss different topics freely, using appropriate words. Speak formally. Choose accurate words. Use idiomatic language. Number 3. Pronunciation. You have to try to sound natural as you are. Pronounce words as clearly as possible. Practice recording your speech and work on the words that you spell incorrectly. Stress words and sentences correctly. Use correct intonations. Try to be easily understood by the examiner. Number 4. Grammatical range and accuracy. You must avoid grammatical mistakes. Try to use more advanced grammatical structures like passive voice, direct speech, different tenses, and conditional sentences, etc. Each of these criteria receives a score from 0 to 9 points. After that, an arithmetic mean is calculated to determine your total score. For example, if your marks are fluency and cohesion 7.5, pronunciation 7, lexical resource 7, grammatical range and accuracy 7.5, then your score for IELTS speaking is 7.5 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7.5 divided by 4 equals to 7.25, which is rounded to 7.5. It will also help you learn pronunciation and styles of speaking if you watch TV series or movies in English. Practice speaking in front of a mirror and always try to keep a friendly look on your face. To sum it up, be fluent, flaunt your vocabulary, keep your pronunciation and grammar correct, speak up, and most important of all, be confident. Keep these tips in your mind while preparing for your IELTS speaking exam and practice as much as you can. Surely, you will score high.